Stuck in that coffee line this morning felt like forever.
You know what's slower? Manually inserting terminals on your PCB line, one by one, all day long.
Seriously, a total bottleneck. So, how do we get out of that queue?
With the SRT 7101 Real Terminal Feeder. First, it turns that slow crawl into a high-speed sprint, boosting your production speed instantly.
Okay, speed is great, but what about mistakes? Those tiny errors from tired eyes are a nightmare.
Exactly. The SRT 7101 is all about precision. It eliminates human error, meaning perfect insertion every single time. Your quality and yield will skyrocket.
Faster and better quality sounds like it saves a ton of money.
That's the third point. It slashes labor costs and rework, delivering a massive return on investment.
I'm in. How do I get one?
Visit our website to request a free production line assessment and see the SRT 7101 in action. Stop waiting, start producing.